Since my Zentangle cactus is all filled up in the background, I am going to start working on my marker board to show you some of these other designs. So the next design that we're going to be working on is this triangle pattern. So I am going to start with one of my sections, and I'm going to start with vertical lines. And remember, the more you space them out, the less you have to make, the easier it is to make your design. And then I'm going to go across with horizontal lines, spacing them as evenly as you can. If you're somebody who's really picky, you can use a ruler, but again, I'm not looking for that. I'm just looking for you to do your best. Then we're making the dots in the middle of each of the boxes. Some of the dots you might not see because they might be off the edge of the paper. You might see a little bit of the dot. And then what you'll do is you're going to make a triangle inside of these boxes. But the tricky thing is you are connecting inside of 4 boxes with your one triangle. So for example, I'm going to use this one here just because it's straight in the middle and it's easier to see. You're going to start up by the dot, come down, up by the dot, come down through the other box. And then you're going to come down, over and across so that that triangle is right above those other dots. And then you're going to go right underneath and do the same thing. So then for this box, we would just see the top of this triangle. And then for this box here, we would see part of this triangle. I guess almost the whole thing. So then you're going to continue that in each of those boxes. So this is a more challenging one. If this is too hard for you to follow through on, this would be one that you would maybe skip. Remember, I'm giving you lots of options so that you do not have to create the same thing as everybody else. You're making it your own. You can choose the Zentangle designs that you would like for your cactus backgrounds. I think that's about all the triangles that I can fit in my design. So if you wanted to show maybe some of the triangles coming off to the side over here, you could do that. Or some of the triangle bottoms, like right up here. So just doing what you can, fitting what you can, doing the best that you can.